Welcome dear friend dog lover. Thank you in advance for visiting my channel dedicated to the happiness and health of dogs. Today we are going to deal with a very important issue, and it is cough remedies for dogs. The common cold and cough aren't just for people, dogs can get colds and cough too. Occasional coughing is normal in a dog. But if your dog coughs a lot or seems unable to stop coughing, it may be something more serious. Infectious tracheobronchitis, also known as kennel cough, is a bacterial and viral condition that can affect dogs. It is a dry, almost hacking, cough that can affect your dog for approximately a week. A case of kennel cough is not considered life-threatening. If your dog is coughing and sniffling, you should, of course, take them to the vet to rule out more serious illnesses. But for a mild cough or a case of the sniffles, there are plenty of at-home treatments to help, and you can administer these in the comfort of your home. Natural cough remedies procedure in dogs: honey and coconut oil. The most common natural remedy for dogs with kennel cough, or canine tracheobronchitis, is honey. Manuka honey, which is usually imported from New Zealand, is the most preferred type of honey. And in recent years, it has become popular to supplement the honey with coconut oil since it contains fatty acids that can help your dog recover faster. Honey and coconut oil are naturally tasty supplements, so it's not difficult to get your dog to eat the remedy. Most dogs love the sweet taste, so just put honey on a spoon, and your pet should happily lick it up. If your dog is small or medium, you should give half a teaspoon of honey, and if your dog is large, 1 full teaspoon. Repeat the dose 4 times a day. When using coconut oil, the recommended dose is 1 teaspoon per 10 pounds of body weight, and you should divide this up during the day. For instance, if your dog is 30 pounds, you can administer 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 at lunchtime and 1 at night. Your dog's stool may become loose or greasy. Wild cherry bark syrup found in many natural food markets. Wild cherry bark syrup contains raw honey, apple cider vinegar, wild cherry bark, propolis, elecampane root, rose hips, licorice root, slippery elm bark, peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, lemon oil and ginger root. You can mix this syrup with honey. For a small dog, give half a teaspoon 3 times a day, and for a large dog, 1 full teaspoon 3 times a day. Tosa K targeted towards fighting infection. Tosa K contains mustard seed, black seed, olive leaf and pau d'arco. It can relieve upper respiratory infections when given 4 times per day in doses of half a teaspoon each. It is known to be excellent for immune systems as well as for killing viruses and bacteria. Efficacy of natural cough remedies in dogs. Because of its antibacterial properties, honey is extremely effective at soothing the uncomfortable symptoms of kennel cough. However, one must consider that a kennel cough has to run its course, so natural treatments are focused on managing symptoms and improving immune response, rather than removing the problem. Honey and other remedies can make the coughing less hoarse and provide a coating for the dog's throat which makes coughing a little less uncomfortable. Natural cough remedies recovery in dogs. The recovery time from kennel cough can vary, depending on the severity. A dog can start showing initial symptoms within 5 to 10 days after contact with other affected dogs. From the day of the first symptoms, the dog can be healed completely within 1 week to 1 month. If symptoms do persist longer than 10 days or you don't see any improvement, it is recommended you visit a vet. And of course, if constant coughing turns into something more, like breathing difficulties or wheezing, you should also visit a vet clinic. Kennel cough can be managed with natural remedies, but your dog's veterinarian may be able to provide more insight and assist your pet in their recovery. Dog natural cough remedies considerations. A kennel cough is not a condition which can be cured, but its symptoms can be alleviated. One of the best ways to do so is to allow the dog to rest and continue the use of honey and coconut oil for at least 10 days. Help your dog get better faster by making sure they get plenty of rest. Limit activity while your dog recovers from a cold or cough, and provide a warm, dry place for them to sleep. Pet-safe heating pads or heated beds offer a comfy place to snooze, and the heat can help loosen congestion. You can also run a blanket or towel through the dryer for a warming wrap, or snuggle with your pet under the covers for a bit. Have you ever used a humidifier to treat your own winter cold? Steam opens up bronchial passages and keeps them nice and moist, and it works for dogs, too. Steam up the bathroom by running a hot shower with the door closed for a few minutes. Then, join your pup in the bathroom for a 10 to 15 steam break. Or, just bring them into the bathroom with you when you shower. You can also use a humidifier to create steam near your dog's favorite snoozing spot. For an extra cold soothing boost, add a small amount of dog-safe essential oil. Eucalyptus oil has antiseptic properties and may ease congestion. Peppermint oil eases congestion and invigorates. Lavender oil soothes and calms. Certain botanicals have soothing properties, and when used properly, can effectively ease cold symptoms in dogs. There are no harmful risks associated with these natural methods. And just like a human common cold, kennel cough can worsen, or it can get better. If it worsens, it could potentially lead to pneumonia or trachea problems, which is why you should visit a vet if the coughing doesn't get better or if you notice symptoms other than just the cough. These can include green nasal discharge, lethargy, severe coughing, and breathing trouble. You should also consider that once the worst part of kennel cough is over, your pet may still experience occasional coughing over the next 4 to 6 weeks while the trachea recovers. Natural cough remedies. Prevention in dogs. Dog owners can help prevent their dog from contracting a kennel cough by applying the available vaccine for the Bordetella bacterium, which is one of the most common agents to cause kennel cough. This vaccine is available in injectable, oral, or intranasal forms, and it is usually given in 2 doses that are 2 to 4 weeks apart, followed by a booster shot every 6 months to a year. However, owners should note that it's not 100% effective and dogs can still suffer from a kennel cough even after being vaccinated. Because, although the Bordetella vaccine can stop most cases of a kennel cough, there are other cases that are caused by other agents, including the canine adenovirus type 2, canine para-influenza virus, canine respiratory coronavirus, and mycoplasmas. Dogs who are exposed to groups of other dogs, such as when boarding, competing, or being walked, may benefit from the Bordetella vaccine. In fact, proof of vaccination is commonly required by grooming, boarding, daycare, and training facilities. If you notice your dog is coughing or if you plan to introduce your pet to large groups of animals, it's recommended to speak with your veterinarian first. Also, feeding your dog a healthy diet can enhance the immune system. Wow, you came to the end of this video. You're a wonderful person. Can you please subscribe and activate the bell? If possible, we would appreciate you giving us a like. We appreciate it from the heart. Thank you very much and God bless you.